Oh, hi guys. Well, I was trying to find a location to place this in the kitchen. Isn't it awesome? Like all the spices. Well, we'll talk about it later. Few days ago, a couple of my friends asked me that they're tired of eating the same type of food for building muscles. And they want something that is rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and at the same time it should be tasty. I told them, just go and watch this video, right? Well, why? Because in today's video, I'm going to explain the benefits, nutrition, as well as the recipe for one of the lentils called split pigeon peas, which is called Toor Daal in Hindi. Well, as usual, I made some mistakes while shooting this video, so you can enjoy that in the deleted sections at the end. So stay tuned till end, guys. I hate that deleted section, as I already mentioned before. Split pigeon peas lentil dominates the majority Indian kitchens due to its great taste and nutritional value. Let's take a look at the benefits, guys. Split pigeon peas is the excellent source of protein. That's why I prefer to eat it 5 times a week to build my muscles, guys. And unlike meat and poultry, it does not have cholesterol and does not increase body heat as well, that causes severe skin issues. Refer to my 7 summer drinks video, guys, to know remedies for controlling the body heat that is caused due to food items such as meat, poultry, etc. Another great thing about split pigeon peas is that they are great source of fiber. So that's definitely helpful for constipation. It also contains iron, folic acid, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which makes this lentil a perfect health package for pregnant women. Split pigeon peas helps to keep our bad cholesterol away and keeps our heart healthy. Isn't that an awesome news? And most importantly, split pigeon peas are a great source of carbohydrates, which gives us the energy that we need. And we don't have to worry about the carbohydrates part because split pigeon peas are pretty low in calories. Alright, let's see which nutritional items are we going to use to cook split pigeon peas today. We have tomatoes, green chilies, red chilies, then we have kokum, curry leaves, clarified butter, pink salt, ginger paste, and garlic paste, and last but not the least, asafoetida. If few of these items are not easily available in your area, I would recommend to just simply visit the nearest Indian grocery store. And here comes my magical box of spices, guys. We are going to use cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and then we are also going to use coriander powder, few mustard seeds, and that's it. So for about 1 cup of split pigeon peas, I take 2 cups of hot water and soak them in that. That way they get nicely puffed up and this reduces my cooking time as well. Now before I cook split pigeon peas, I'm going to add few spices such as cumin seeds, then coriander powder, and then little bit of turmeric, and then little bit of salt as per your need. Trust me, adding these spices before cooking adds wonderful taste to your split pigeon peas lentil. Now add about 1 glass of water in your pressure cooker and then turn the gas on for about medium heat is fine. And then add your split pigeon peas mixture that you just made. Make sure you put the lid on the top, otherwise it's going to be a mess since it's a pressure cooker. Then put the lid for the pressure cooker and put the whistle on top of it. That's it. Now wait for the whistles. While your pressure cooker is cooking your split pigeon peas, you can start chopping your cilantro and your curry leaves to keep them ready. After about 2 whistles, your split pigeon peas should be cooked. So open the cooker and you will see nicely cooked split pigeon peas with a wonderful aroma. Smells good, right? You can also eat it without adding any spices. But I'm gonna show you the recipe for adding spices to make it more delicious. I prefer to have my lentil pretty smooth, so I'm gonna use a hand blender here. To maintain the taste for your lentil, heat some water in a container. This is the secret, guys, and I will share why we are heating the water shortly. Heat the pot for a couple minutes and add 1 to 2 spoons of clarified butter, which is also called as ghee in Hindi. And now let the clarified butter melt and get heated nicely. And then add your spices such as cumin seeds, mustard seeds, then add coriander powder and fenugreek seeds. Now I'm going to add few green chilies. Well, I think I should add few more because I like it more spicy. And now, most importantly, add ginger and garlic paste, guys. This is gonna make your lentil very, very tasty and healthy. Alright. And now it's time for the curry leaves, which is gonna bring wonderful aroma to your lentil. Stir well. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro, which is also called as coriander. Now this is another secret to make your lentil very tasty. And finally, add chopped tomatoes. And stir well. And now it's time to add a little bit of hot water. If you add cold water, it's gonna kill all the taste that it was having. So to maintain that taste, you're gonna add hot water, guys. And now I added few red chilies and then stir well, and little bit of split pigeon peas that you cooked before. Now that's another secret to make your lentil more tasty, to add just 1 spoon before while you're cooking your spices. Stir well, and then you're all set to add your cooked split pigeon peas. This is gonna taste awesome, guys. And now, since I prefer to have my split pigeon peas lentil more watery, I'm gonna add the remaining hot water. Now that's the secret, guys. Do not add cold water here, otherwise it will kill all the taste for which you worked so hard. So add that hot water. and that's it. And there is a next step after this. Now it's time to add the kokum that you had soaked in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is going to be definitely healthy and tasty for your lentil. Well, according to me, the lentil is not ready until you sprinkle all the coriander leaves on top of it. I prefer to have that yellow, green and red color for my lentil. And yes, your split pigeon peas is ready to be served. Just like our mind performs better because of some of the routine changes in our life, our body produces better results if we give different variety of food, such as you cannot just stick to eggs and chicken for protein sources. You should also focus on different type of food that gives the same type of nutrition. Alright, so that was it, and do try this recipe at home and let me know how it was by writing into the comments box. Okay, and please hit the like button. I'm gonna ask you to hit the like button because I've spent so much of effort making this recipe today. Alright, and yes, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe please to support my channel, guys, and I'll see you again with a different topic next time. Bye bye. Which is called as split pigeon. Split pigeon peas. Cut it